Video we are going to discuss the topic some applications of trigonometry. You see the first figure here, you can see the building and one person is here. He is looking to the top of the building. So the person is here on the ground level. He is looking to the top of the building. So here from his eye to this top of the building, there is a line we can draw. That line is known as the line of sight. So line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of the observer to the point viewed by the observer. Now this line is the horizontal line. Now we can see there is an angle formed by this horizontal line and line of sight. That angle is known as the angle of elevation. So angle of elevation is the angle formed by the horizontal line and line of sight when the point viewed by the observer is above the horizontal line. Now you see the second figure. One observer is here and he is observing the kite on the sky. So this is the horizontal line. This line segment joining the eye of the observer and the object is the line of sight, and here the angle of elevation. Here you can see this is the horizontal line and the object is above the horizontal line. So there is formed the angle of elevation. So if the observer is looking up, there is forming angle of elevation. Now you see the next figure. Here the observer is on the balcony and is looking an object on the ground. Now this is the line segment joining the eye of the observer and the object. So this is the line of sight. Here this one is the horizontal line. Now you can see the object is below the horizontal line. So the angle formed by the horizontal line and line of sight is angle of depression if the object is below the horizontal line. So if the object is above the horizontal line, the angle is angle of elevation. If the object is below the horizontal line, the angle is angle of depression. If the person is looking up, it is angle of elevation, and if the person is looking down, it is angle of depression. Now you see this figure again. Suppose in this case, if the observer is here and the object is above the horizontal line, this marked angle will be angle of elevation, and this line will be the horizontal line. Then what is about this horizontal line and this horizontal line? These both lines will be parallel. Then what is about this angle of depression and angle of elevation? They will be the alternate interior angles. And we know if the lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, angle of elevation will be always equal to angle of depression. So, line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. The angle of elevation of the point viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal line when the point being viewed is above the horizontal level. The angle of depression of a point on the object being viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point is below the horizontal level. Circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly attached and tied from the top of a vertical pole on the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So first let us draw a figure based on this information. So here is our vertical pole and this is our rope. It is having 20-meter length and it is tightly attached to the ground. And the artist is climbing on the rope. So this is the ground level. So now we get a right triangle and the acute angle is 30 degree. The rope is making 30 degree with the ground level. We need to find out the height of the pole. That means we need to find out AB. For this acute angle C, we know this AB is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side and AC is the hypotenuse. So here we need to find out the opposite side. Here given hypotenuse. So let us use a trigonometric ratio with opposite side and hypotenuse. Which is the trigonometric ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse? We know sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here theta is given, that is equal to 30 degree. So we can write sin 30 degree equal to AB by AC. AB is the opposite side. AC is the hypotenuse. Now AC is given in the question, it is 20 meter. So we can write 1 by 2 equal to AB by 20. How this 1 by 2 came here? We know sin 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. Now let us cross multiply. 1 into 20, that is 20 equal to 2 into AB. Now let us change the sides. We get 2 into AB equal to 20. AB equal to 20 by 2, that is AB equal to 10 meter. So we got the length of AB, it is 10 meter. Now AB is the pole. So we can conclude height of the pole is 10 meter. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So first let us draw a figure based on this information. So there is a tree. It breaks due to storm and top of the tree touches the ground and it is making an angle 30 degree with the ground. So this AB and AC together is the tree. From this point it has broken and the broken part is bending to this side and the top is touching the ground. It is making an angle of 30 degree with the ground. And again there is given the distance between foot of the tree and the top where it touches the ground is 8 meter. So this distance BC is 8 meter. We need to find out the height of the tree. That means we need to find out AB and AC. Here C is the acute angle. For this acute angle C, AB is opposite side, AC is hypotenuse and BC is adjacent side. So we need to find out the opposite side and hypotenuse also. Adjacent side is given. So first let us try to find out the opposite side. So opposite side we need to find out adjacent side is given. So the ratio between opposite side and adjacent side, which is the ratio? We know tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here theta is 30 degree. Opposite side we need to find out. Adjacent side is 8 meter. Tan 30 degree equal to AB by BC. We know tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So we can write 1 by root 3 equal to AB by 8. Let us cross multiply. We get 8 equal to AB into root 3. Let us change the sides. We get AB into root 3 equal to 8. AB equal to 8 divided by root 3 meter. So we got AB or opposite side. It is 8 by root 3 meter. Now we need to find out hypotenuse. Now opposite side is there, adjacent side is there. Any ratio we can consider. So now we can consider this hypotenuse and adjacent side. Which is the ratio between hypotenuse and adjacent side? So let us take cos theta. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here theta is 30 degree, adjacent side is 8 meter. Cos 30 degree equal to BC by AC. We know cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 equal to 8 by AC. Let us cross multiply. We get root 3 into AC equal to 8 into 2. That is root 3 AC equal to 16. AC equal to 16 by root 3 meter. Now our question is to find out the height of the tree. To find the height of the tree, we need to add AB and AC. AB is 8 by root 3. AC is 16 by root 3. So let us add it. Height of the tree equal to AB plus AC, that is equal to 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3. Here the denominators are same, so let us add. So we get that is equal to 24 by root 3. Now you can see the denominator is an irrational number. Let us rationalize it. How can we rationalize? multiply it with root 3 by root 3. So that is equal to 24 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. That is equal to 24 root 3 by 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now let us cancel 3 and 24. That is equal to 8 root 3 meter. So let us conclude height of the tree equal to 8 root 3 meter. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? So here she wants to make the slide. One is at a height of 1.5 meter and is making an angle of 30 degrees to the ground. And second one is at a height of 3 meter and making an angle 60 degrees to the ground. So let us draw the figure in each case. So the first case, the slide is at a height of 1.5 meter and is making 30 degree with the ground. This BC is the ground. And the second case, the slide is at a height of 3 meter and is making angle 60 degree with the ground. We need to find out the length of the slide. You see the first figure, the first case, angle C is the acute angle, and for this acute angle with measurement 30 degree, this AB is the opposite side and the slide AC is the hypotenuse. So we need to find out the length of hypotenuse. Opposite side is given. So we need to consider the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse. Which is the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse? We have sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here theta equal to 30 degree. So we can write sin 30 degree equal to AB by AC. In this figure AB is given, it is 1.5 and we know sin 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. So we can write 1 by 2 equal to 1.5 divided by AC. Now let us cross multiply 1 into AC. It is AC equal to 2 into 1.5. So we get AC equal to 3 meter. So we got the length of first slide, it is 3 meter. Now let us consider the second case. Here the acute angle is angle R with measurement 60 degree. For this acute angle, we know this PQ is the opposite side and PR is the hypotenuse. Opposite side is given 3 meter. Hypotenuse we need to find out. So we need to take the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse. Which is the ratio? We have sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here theta equal to 60 degree. So, sin 60 degree equal to PQ by PR. What is the value of sin 60 degree? It is root 3 by 2. What is the measurement of PQ? PQ is 3 meter. PR we need to find out. So let us write root 3 by 2 equal to 3 by PR. Cross multiplying, we get root 3 into PR equal to 2 into 3. That is root 3 into PR equal to 6. PR equal to 6 by root 3. Now you can see the denominator is an irrational number. Let us rationalize it. How can we rationalize it? Multiply it with root 3 by root 3. So that is equal to 6 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So we get that is equal to 6 root 3 by 3. Now we can cancel this 6 and 3. We get that is equal to 2 root 3 meter. Therefore, length of slides in each case is 3 meter and 2 root 3 meter.